Hello everyone. We'll try to see what is pre-training, fine-tuning, and instruction training. So you can see in the pre-training here the main objective is to learn the general knowledge. That means you just try to train the model with massive amount of unstructured data, and it learns the pattern, it's learned the grammatical, let's say, concept and all. Then in the fine-tuning, you just try to train the model to a specific use case. Let's say you want to do only language translation, or let's say text summarization. You will be working on that. And in the instruction training, you just try to follow the human instruction technique. Like you give some instruction. Let's say I want to do language translation. First of all, I'll just write translate this text, okay, to a specific language. Then I will give, let's say, the specific language English. Then I want to translate to French, okay. So I will also give the same example. That means here I'm giving the complete instruction and my model will get trained, okay, on top of that. Then you can see data wise, here we'll use unlabeled massive data, and here we use domain specific data, and here we use instruction response paired data, okay. So here supervision wise, actually you can see it's self supervised technique we use, and here we use supervised and unsupervised technique both. And in the instruction technique we use the supervised technique because here we are also giving the label data, we are also giving the instruction to the model, okay, that's why. Then customizable wise, not specific, task domain specific customization you can do, and here you can consider dialogue following instruction. That means if you want to customize, you can give the dialogue on the on any kinds of let's instruction, okay, to the model. Then output behavior wise, actually it's a generic, knowledge rich and narrow specified, okay, and this one narrow specialized, okay, and this is one the conversational task aware actually technique, and this one follows actually conversational task aware technique, okay. So yes, these are the like difference between your pre-training, fine-tuning, and instruction training, okay, process. So most of the time people usually do the fine-tuning process if they want to train with any custom data, specific data. And nowadays we have some better option like RAG is there. With the help of RAG is RAG, what we can do, we can connect with our custom data, okay. I will also show you this part, what is RAG exactly and how it works, and how we can build a RAG application, okay. We'll also try to cover that. So yes guys, this is all about it. Thanks for watching.